So here's Sensor VPN, fast and secure. So you can just tap get and let's see how it works. This app just went in the top charts recently. So with VPN apps, they often, when there is a new VPN app, it goes high in the charts. Often they have some nice deals or lifetime deals. So that's just what you can get. And yep, our service prioritizes high quality encryption, granting access to servers in over 12 countries while maintaining superior connection speeds. We rely on trusted V2 protocol, known in VPN industry. So let's just try it out. I use a bunch of apps. And then unfortunately there is 3-day free trial, but then there is $10 per week. So let's see. So they still have some free option, which is quite nice. And then you can try to select. All right, so there are simple settings here. Oopsie, something is not working. So yeah, all right. So then Canada. How do I? All right, in the bottom left, you just select which countries you want to select. And free servers are only England or Canada. Australia, Finland, Singapore, USA, Germany, all of those require premium subscription. So, and then you also have no ads and premium service and high-speed connection. So you get it. So that's the idea. But if you want a nice Canada VPN from US or nice England VPN, that's basically the nice app for you, which offers a free service if you need to, use Canadian or British VPN. So that's what it is. Try it out.